哎，小点声，小点声。
Can you protect me more quietly?
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
What? What's wrong? I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Riley, look at me.
Okay, so we can go potty real quick and then you can come back in and play. Okay, thank you.
Alright, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Can you sit down and listen? No?
Oakley. No. Yes. Oakley, come here. Come here.